So here's an RV. I've got to repair the receiver hitch on. It's a diesel pusher. Here's a tour of what I'm doing under here. This receiver hitch, from the tip of the receiver hitch to back here, and there's nothing else supported. It's about 18 inches from there to there, so there is a lot of leverage down here. And as you can see, this is busted loose. When the customer brought it in, it was hanging down about 10 inches from where it's at now. It's up to pretty much where it should be. I'm gonna give it a little bit more by welding down here on the bottom with pressure on this, and it'll allow it to tip up just a little bit more. So here's what we ended up doing. Put in a piece of it started out life as a 4x3. It's installed as a 4x1.5 angle iron. Put that across there, notched out around the receiver, and it goes in under the core support for the radiator here. It connects on the sides to these brackets, and also stiffened up the bottom of them with a extra flange. And because of that extra flange, weren't able to use the eye bolts that were just poked through the hole there. Had to make some new mounting bolts for the mud flap, but everything has worked out. We got all the welding done on those tubes before adding anything else. Getting up into the top here, if we can see, maybe under this one. Okay, yeah. Oh, there we go. Getting up in there with a torch, welding torch. I used MIG. I think it's a 400 amp torch, so it's a fairly heavy one. And there's not much room up in there, but we're able to just squeeze it up in there and get the welds on the top, which is where it's needed the most. But now with the brace out here, it won't be quite so much stress on those welds back there. So that's how we fix this one. Let's see what else we can get ourselves into.